Welcome. Today we're covering how to publish and share your content effectively and securely. It's not enough to create great content. You need a seamless way to deploy it to your team and monitor its impact. Imagine your content being broadcast instantly to all your team members, connecting everyone to the information they need. With the click of a share button, your content explodes across the network, reaching its intended audience in moments. Let's look at the different channels you can use for publishing your finalized content. Easily publish your content directly to Microsoft Teams channels to keep your conversations contextually rich and accessible. Integrate your content with Copilot to empower generative AI with the most current and relevant information for your organization. Beyond publishing to major platforms, simple sharing mechanisms ensure your content is easily disseminated. Share content efficiently with specific employee resource groups, distribution lists, or security groups for targeted communication. For critical content, admin approvals for governance provide an essential layer of oversight and compliance before deployment. Monitor the usage and engagement metrics of your published content to understand its impact and inform future content strategy. Publishing and sharing are the final, crucial steps in maximizing the value of your content creation efforts. Feel confident knowing that your content is protected, with security measures glowing safely around your valuable information. It's time to securely deploy your content to your world and see the positive impact.